Okay, today we got a lot of stuff going on. It's mid-April. We've got this hive here that is just exploding. I have a feeling it may have some queen cells on it, so we'll want to split it. And also I'm going to put the Flow Super on it because I really think it's time.
Welcome back to Papa Z's Bees. I think I covered it there in the intro, but we're about to get started. By the way, if you would, please subscribe to our channel. That helps us a lot. Also, ring a little bell there. That'll let you know when we have a new video coming out. And also hit the like. We really appreciate you. Let's get going.
Okay, we're going to take this thing apart and get the bees down to see where we are as far as splitting bees in that leftover hive life thing. We'll take care of that. We'll get rid of that. Yeah, lots of, oh my gosh, you got lots of honey too. So some drones up here. And this medium box is if you've been watching, you remember that this is the one that is their store. Goodness gracious, this thing's heavy. You can already tell they're bringing in some good nectar. So, well, we'll start with this frame since we've already got it. Got some good brood on it. Okay, I don't see any eggs. Okay, so we're gonna have to clean some of this comb off here. I don't see any queen cells, so they may not be ready to swarm. It's just there's so many of them. Lots of brood over here. Lots of brood there still, but I'm not seeing eggs at this point yet. There's some larvae, so we're getting closer to where I think she is. That may be one to take. I don't see the queen yet, but that doesn't mean anything. Got stung on the thumb here, so I need to smoke it. I'll kind of get rid of the alarm pheromone that she would have left with the stinger. There she is. I don't know where she went, but she was there. There she is. I don't know if you can see her, but well, she's gone back over here on this other side. Okay, so I'm going to leave her there. So I know we've got the queen in there. Do not know what to do at this point. This is where I get nervous because I don't see any any eggs. I see some older larvae, but not younger larvae. So that there's a young larvae. There's another young one. Okay, we're going to try it and see what happens. Yeah, this one will go good. Lots of pretty honey, so they're bringing stuff in from somewhere. Okay, and as I said, I'm going to put the honey super on. Lots of drones up in here, so. I got to make sure these things are closed. I'll come back and do that. I need to put the top on it. Okay, we're going to go over and put these in the nuke. Okay, now we're going to move the frames that we took out of that hive over into the new nuke, and then we'll hopefully have a good resource hive. One problem I did not get but 2 frames. I'll have to watch it, and if there's a problem, I'll have to add another one over here a bit later. If there's enough bees, I think they'll be okay. And I'm going to feed them. I normally wouldn't feed them necessarily, but because they've got new comb and not a lot going on, we're going to give it a whirl and see what happens. Okay, so that'll get them going in there. Okay, so I've got a small rapid round here that I'll come to fill up, and we'll just kind of watch it. Because again, I may need to put some more brood in with some more eggs and larvae. There's some young larvae, but I don't know if they'll detect they're without a queen soon enough. So we'll just have to wait and see. All right, thanks.
Well, there you have it. Pretty successful day. Got the split done, got the Flow Super on, and we're just going to have to watch them and see how they handle it. Thanks for watching. Come back real soon.